Welcome back. So now you can see I have been opened up my admin/products, and I have just 4 products right now. And now I would like to see these products inside our main page. I want to show dynamic projects in products in here. So how to do this? First of all, I need to go to my terminal and then say php artisan make a controller, and I'll create a home controller for that. Okay, home controller is created. So if I just go ahead and open this, and inside of routes, I'll just, as I've told you, that I'll create a controller for that. So I'll say, oh yeah, I just forget. Basically, let me just delete this controller real quick, because you can see if I just open, these controllers are mixed here. It's very hard to recognize which because this is a small project, it doesn't matter. In big projects you will might be get confused. So if I just delete this and go to my controllers, do refactor, go to my controllers and create a new directory called front. Okay, now inside our front directory, our front end controllers would be live. Okay, let me just rename this real quick, and F should be capital if you want to. Okay, so now if I just go to again my terminal, and I'll say php artisan make controller inside our front folder, and then create a controller. Okay, this left, that should be a, the slash should be, I think this is no problem with php artisan make controller inside of, yeah, this is true. I think there's no problem with that. If I just oh yeah, route action, there is might problem with the route. So if I just come in this route and again go to my terminal and run this command, okay, that's now created. Because when you create an incomplete or wrong route, that could, your artisan commands might not work. So that's working now. And if I just say inside front, now you need to put the slash and then the home controller. You should use the backward slash. Okay, home controller and then index method. So if I just go to home controller and then say public function index, and that should written view of our front slash index. So if I just say reload the page, that's exactly working. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's working fine. So what about next? And we need to call our products here. So if I just say create a variable called products, and we'll just call out all products, and then you can use any operation. For example, you can call all the product directly, and then or you want to in random order. For example, if I just use in random add order and then take only 4 products, because if you just check our front end, we just have 4 products here, the place of 4 products, so we need 4 products at the moment. You can use all command, and if I just say, for example, die and dump product here, right, you should use the namespace of your product model. So if I just roll out the page, you can see we are getting 4 products. That's it. And we'll simply now pass this to our products, and we'll make it plural products. Okay, so now if I just go to master, now we will put this inside our index. So I think we'll just make a yield here, and then we will call this content, and I'll just cut all the row here. Okay, this is the row, and I'll just cut this and paste it inside our index file. So I'll call a section called content, the end section. You should put your commas. Okay, so if I just reload the page, that's exactly working. And now I'll just remove other sections, other divs from here. I just select one div. Okay, now if I just write for each, and once if I just open up my Blade template and then say in variable form products, so if I just reload the page, you can see we're still getting the products. So now we'll use the for each loop to iterate our products, and then I'll say and for each loop. Okay, and then we'll say products as product, and then the name of the product, I mean the title of the product. Okay, for each is not end yet. Make sure you should end the for each loop when you finish your loop. Okay, so here we need to record the product title, I think the name of the product. Okay, that's the all you can see we are getting the name of all the products dynamically, and of course the description of the product, and then we can say product description. There we go, we're getting the description of the product as we have inside the admin panel. And then finally we need to get the product price. Oh, reload the page. There we go, we are getting the same, you know, all the dummy product price. And finally the image of the product. If you just check, the images are inside our you know, you can put the images anywhere, for example your storage class, but this is in the temporary I'm using the public file and uploads, right? So we need to just get rid of this, and if I just say the URL, that's uploads, right? Basically the folder which is upload, and then we'll concatenate this using the slash and then the product image, right? So if you just reload the page, and there we go, we are just getting the dynamic products listing, right? And that's very nice. So finally we just we have been called our dynamic products, and we will just work on add to cart functionality. And then we might not work in the next video but later, but in the next video we might work on our sign up and sign in page. That's it. Okay, simple and nice.